Love's not time's food, though rosy lips and cheeks may fade.
True love never fades.
Let me nod to the marriage of true minds.
Love never fades.
Let me nod to the marriage of true minds. Admit impediments, love is not love, which alters when in alteration finds, or bends with the remover to remove.
Oh no.
It is an ever-fixed mark that looks on tempest, never shaken. The star to every wandering bark, with words unknown, though height be taken. Love's not time's fool, though rosy lips and cheeks may fade. Love alters not through hours and weeks. Love bears it out to the edge of doom. If this be error and upon me proved, I never ripped nor known and ever loved. Ever fixed, never shaken.